How to switch back from Chrome OS Flex to Windows. Switching back from Chrome OS Flex to Windows is a straightforward process. Whether you are moving back to Windows because Chrome OS Flex isn't meeting your needs or you require software that only runs on Windows, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Before we proceed, you should know that this process will completely wipe your computer's hard drive. This means Chrome OS Flex, all your files, settings, and everything else will be permanently deleted. So please back up any important data to an external drive or cloud storage before continuing. First of all, open your web browser and search for Ventoy. Click on the official Ventoy website. Ventoy is a fantastic open source tool that allows you to create a bootable USB drive with multiple operating system ISO files. Go to the download section to download it. Find the download link for the live CD ISO file. Click on it. You'll likely be directed to SourceForge, a website for hosting open source projects. On SourceForge, click the link to download the latest ISO file. Wait for the download to complete. Next, we need to download the ISO file. On your web browser, search for Windows 10 or Windows 11 ISO depending on which version you want to install. I am going to download Windows 11. Go to the official Microsoft website. On the Microsoft page, scroll down to the section labeled Download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO for x64 devices. Select the Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO. Click Download now. Choose your preferred language from the drop-down menu. Click the 64-bit download button. The Windows ISO download will begin. This is a large file, so it may take some time depending on your internet speed. Next up, in your Chrome browser, search for Chromebook Recovery Utility. Open the Chrome Web Store link for the Chromebook Recovery Utility. This Chrome extension is essential for creating bootable USB drives on a Chromebook or any device running Chrome OS. Click the Add to Chrome button. Once added, you'll see its icon in your browser's toolbar. Just click on it to launch Chromebook Recovery Utility. You can now close the browser. We will now prepare the USB drive to be bootable and install the Ventoy software on it. Open the Files app. Go to your Downloads folder. Right-click on the Ventoy ISO file and select Zip Selection. This will create a zip file with similar name in the same directory. Now, insert your USB drive into your computer. In the Chromebook Recovery Utility, click Gear icon in the top right corner. Select the zip Ventoy file you just created. Click Open. In the next window, select your USB drive from the drop-down menu. Click Continue. Click Create Now. This will format your USB drive and make it bootable. After making the USB drive bootable, we will now install the Ventoy software on it, which will allow us to boot from the Windows ISO later. Restart your computer. As it's booting up, you need to press the boot menu key to access the boot menu. In the boot menu, select your USB drive, press Enter. You should see the Ventoy screen. Select the first option, which is probably Ventoy 1.0 Live CD or a similar name. Press Enter. On the next screen, you will see the Ventoy interface. Simply select Install. You will see a warning that the drive will be formatted. Click OK to confirm. Ventoy will now be installed on your USB drive. Once the installation is complete, close the Ventoy window. Your Chromebook will automatically restart back to Chrome OS Flex. Now that Ventoy is installed on the USB, this process created two partitions on the USB drive, a small boot partition and a larger partition named Ventoy where you will copy your Windows ISO file. So now, we need to copy the Windows ISO file to it so that we can boot from the Ventoy USB. Go to your Downloads folder, right-click on the Windows ISO file and select Copy. Right-click inside the Ventoy folder and select Paste. The Windows ISO file will be copied to your USB drive. Wait for the copy process to complete. We will now boot from the USB drive again to start the Windows installation. So restart your computer again and access the boot menu. Select your USB drive and press enter. You will see the Ventoy boot screen again. This time, you will see the Windows 11 ISO file listed. Select it and press enter. Choose boot in normal mode. The Windows installer will load. Choose your language, time and keyboard preferences. Select Install Windows 11. Accept the license terms. On this screen, you'll see a list of partitions on your hard drive. This is where you can delete the existing Chrome OS Flex partitions and create new ones for Windows. Delete each partition one by one. After deleting all the partitions, you should have a single entry labeled Drive 0 unallocated space. Select the unallocated space and click Next. Click Install. Now Windows will begin the installation. Your computer will restart several times during this process. This can take 15 to 30 minutes, so be patient. We are now in the final stretch. Just follow what the Windows installer tells you to do. Follow the remaining on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Congratulations! You have successfully removed Chrome OS Flex and installed Windows on your computer.